Hi folks, I'm up here at the pit site. I've gathered all kinds of materials for the firing. The objective of the day is to take my ceramic little hand-built egg that's been polished to a high gloss finish from a clay to a ceramic material through the use of fire. And so it's important to dig yourself a little depression, or you can use a Weber or a barbecue at home, and then just get some kindling. Some small kindling, some sawdust, and some cow dung are really going to make this pretty easy. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. We'll stack the pit and then light it. Okay, so we've been burning for maybe a little bit less than an hour, and we have a nice coal bed. I see some dull red heat underneath the coals, and this is sort of the signal when it's all white like this to go ahead and bury it to get that carbon black finish we're looking for. I have some sawdust, and I have all these cow pies we collected. I'm going to put those down first, and then pile the sawdust around the sides, and then cover it with this tin over here. Okay, so our pit's been sitting here for close to a day, all night long. And I'm about to see if there's anything in here. I see a couple eggs. I see one whole egg. Ooh, yeah, still pretty warm. Beautiful black on this side. Ooh, I got some blow-ups on this one. I'm gonna have to cool these off. Beautiful shine. I have some little blow-ups, little pop-outs on this side. That's from heating up a little bit too quickly. When I first started the fire, I did have a little bit of a rush of wind. This one's got some nice carbon black, so I'll have to clean it up a little pop out there too, so semi-successful. Ooh, it's really hot.